Hi, I'm Rutledge.
And I'm Des.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast. Today is January 29th, 2026, and it's also National Kazoo Day.
I love kazoos. Anyway, let's go on to the character of the week. Here it is. Olaf from Frozen.
I love Olaf.
Cool. Anyway, today we have a cup stacking competition against 7th grade Aubrey York and Mrs. West.
I think Aubrey will win.
Well, I think Miss West will win.
I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Hello, my name is Ryan.
And my name is Sophie.
And my name is Rutledge.
And today we are going to host a game for Miss West and Aubrey. Okay, so how this is going to go, it's cup stacking. We're going to do best 2 out of 3, and there's 10 cups. So basically, Rutledge will demonstrate really quick how you're going to want to stack them.
And then once you stack it, you take them back down and put them in the stack.
Perfect. You might want to go a little faster to beat your opponent though, but he did perfect. Okay, best 2 out of 3. I'll do a countdown, and whoever wins 2 rounds gets the cup of Jolly Ranchers. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Aubrey run that round. Okay.
I was gonna destroy you, but I thought I'd play nice.
Okay. 3.
Oh, we're going again? 2 rounds?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Messed up.
Miss West won. Okay, to break the time, there will be 1 more round. Okay. 3,
You're going down.
2, 1.
She's cheating.
My comfort. This is wrong.
Okay, Miss West is the winner of this cup stacking game.
Thank you.
And
Good game.
Thank you very much. I won, guys.
I'm joking.
And that means
I'm
she
gonna
gets
take my
the cup.
Jolly Ranchers.
Yes. And that's our cup stacking game.
Yes.
What an awesome race. I told you Miss West would win. Anyway, on to the joke of the week. Why did the snowman look through the carrots?
Why?
He was picking his nose.
That's disgusting.
Well, anyway, we are going to have chicken burgers for lunch today. Today is also activity day for those students who got 16 or more stamps on their Viking stamp cards. Activities will be taking place in the later part of 7th period and during advisory. Students who didn't reach the goal of 16 stamps will report to the opportunity room.
Today is also the last day to turn in your work for the semester. To be eligible for the honor roll, you must have a 3.0 GPA, and all grades must be a C or higher.
We would like to welcome a former anchor of the broadcast, Mrs. Bella, and introduce her to our district. She is an educational assistant for the middle school, and if you haven't bought a gram yet, it's not too late. Grams will continue to be on sale until Tuesday, February 10th, and they will be delivered on Thursday, February 12th.
And now it's time for this week's Pet Corner. This week's featured pet on Pet Corner is from Haley Kimsley. This is her dog. Let's give it up for Wanda, the one-eyed wiener dog. Wanda has a miraculous story. She was born deaf, vision in only one eye, and had a hernia. With these birth defects, it was unlikely that anyone would adopt until the Kimsleys arrived. Now Wanda is living her best life. Thank you for Haley for sharing Wanda's amazing story.
The air hockey tournament is on to its 2nd week, and the numbers of players still in the competition is getting smaller and smaller. Games will be continued to be played during lunch until there are only 4 students left in the competition. The final 4 will compete in a battle royale in front of the entire school during an assembly. Fun fact, how many snowflakes do you think fall a year?
It's got to be at least 80.
It's about a septillion ice crystals fall in the U.S. each year. That's about 24 zeros.
That's a lot of ice crystals.
Yeah. The next game for boys basketball team will be against Salem Academy at Colton on February 2nd.
Good luck. And that's all for the CMS broadcast.
Bye.